Yeah, hi, my name's Greg Swift. I just wanted to do a quick review of the KMS Squared light kit that I just purchased for my classic my Lee Classic turret press kit. I looked at some other. There are, so I should say, there are some other different light kits out there, but after just doing a lot of homework, I decided to go with the KMS Squared. It's a very good value. The light kit itself was very detailed. Came with everything you need: the lights, the wiring instructions, a little kit that had some little scruff up pad and some zip ties and some little sticky pads for zip ties and things. And I just followed the instructions to a T. What I did, I actually took the turret, or I should say the turret mount. I just unbolted this and took it off and flipped it upside down on my bench here so I could work on it underneath. Scuffed up the finish underneath here. I did take my heat gun. Like I said, I followed the instructions to a T. Took my heat gun, heated up the mount here to a little over 100 degrees, and then just peeled off the sticky and put the light on underneath. Put everything back together, and then went ahead and followed the instructions on adding the zip tie here at the top and bottom. Then it comes with these nice little clips that go around the bar here on the classic press. And then I just routed mine underneath, down underneath. I took the switch itself and put a two-sided piece of Gorilla Tape on it, and then just stuck it to the bottom of my 2x4 here. So I have, you can see there's a sample of the light with it on. You can see it's just a huge difference on the amount of light that is showing down, in the work area. Yeah, then I just snaked it. I just snaked it underneath, underneath the top of my bench here, down the back, and plugged it in. So it's nice and convenient. When I come into work, I just flip the switch on, go ahead and do my reloading, and then when I'm done, I just flip it right off. So very happy with it. It's very secure. It provides a lot of light. I couldn't imagine trying to work. I do have some bright. I have my overhead LEDs turned off to kind of highlight this light. So I do have some extra light, but this will really make, double checking your powder and different things will really come in handy. So 2 thumbs up. I can only use one because my other hand is on the phone. 2 thumbs up for the KMS Squared turret press kit, and I enjoy it. Thanks, guys.